1012.
What's in that bag?
Nothing.
Nothing's in that bag?
No, nothing.
I got you on video taking stuff from that store. I'll push away from me. I'll push away from me.
We're around to you.
You're on your back.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? They got you there.
I don't have nothing.
I'm not gonna.
I don't have anything.
On June 26, 2023, body-worn camera footage captured a retail theft apprehension at an airport terminal Brookstone location.
I want to see how he looks like so you guys can help us look.
You know where he went?
You can for me, hotel on.
That's what we're going around.
What does that shirt say? What does that shirt say?
I don't know.
582-109. You can me tonight, hotel on the 16th.
You know what that shirt says?
No, I don't know what it says.
Can you bring it back and open it, make it wider? If you go back when he walks in. Hey, can you
I'm taking 201.
Can you stop that? And
Yeah, 10-4, we're going to make it 281. 281.
all right, stop it.
281. Thank you.
It doesn't look clear.
What does that say there? On this guy's shirt. I'll make it go again, maybe get another shot at a different angle. Are you guys want to press charges? We catch him?
We don't.
Okay.
We stole almost $1,000
Okay.
from us.
286 go down. And would he walk over this way?
Yeah, he went like this way. He's around stealing.
Yeah, Brookstone employee, Bobby, Rhode, 2856 Sierra. It's a light skinned man. He's pushing a small roller bag that's white with a bunch of different colors. He's got a blue shirt with green lettering on it, and he's got gray shorts and black sneakers. He was headed towards the atrium.
Copy is 56 Sierra from where?
The Brookstone store, and they want to press charges.
Copy a white male, blue shirt, gray shorts, pushing a cart with
No, he's got a roller bag that's white with different colors on it.
Copy a roller bag with multicolors.
Yeah, he was last headed towards the atrium a couple minutes ago.
10-4. Any into the area of the atrium?
I'm here now. You got a hat on or anything like that?
Yeah, he has a hat on.
Dude, he does look like he's got a dark colored baseball cap on, and he's clean shaven. And what did you do? Put him in his pocket or put him in his bag?
He put one in his pocket, the other one he put it on the other pocket, and then he went around.
Did you ever see him once you left the store?
No, I was actually on break.
Oh, okay.
So when I came back, that's when I noticed I was missing a few things. Then I told my co-worker.
No.
So then he stole that, and then he went here and stole more stuff. But she was busy.
46. Looking at the tape, this happened approximately 11:50, so about a half hour ago.
Have you advising time lapse of about 30 minutes?
Yeah, see a t-shirt.
Yes, sir.
10-4.
It doesn't look clear, whatever it says on the shirt.
Yeah. So I'll look around. This is about a half hour ago. I'll look around from I'll go down by the bus stop and stuff. Are you going to be in the store?
Yeah.
I'll come back to the store and I'll make the report for you.
All right, thank you so much.
No problems. See you, Estelle.
Okay.
I just fill out. I just need to fill out the statement. Basically, what he took and how much everything was worth.
Yeah.
And if she could send the video to that address.
Yeah, I'm gonna
My email address. All right, and I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back about 5 minutes from the office to get the paperwork for you, right, man?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Just whatever he stole.
Yeah, how much it was.
Separately or the total? Because I'm
No,
trying
each one
to break it down.
separately.
Yeah.
Yeah, each one
Okay.
separately.
That's all he saw.
All right, so the mail came in the store, took above property.
No, yeah, I got here at 6. Dentro las 6.
And stole what?
And still the above property, totaling whatever kind of was it, 440, 330, and 199.
It was 950.
Right, totaling $950.
Oh, 970.
All right, and nobody gave him permission to take the above described property. Okay, he was a Hispanic male, white male.
He was a white man. Oh, you're not gonna believe it. I just see him. He's in Oakley right now. He's in Oakley. He's in Oakley right now. Go get him.
Hold on to that. $286.
286.
Down 1012 the guy in the Oakley stuff.
286, 10-9.
Do you have any ID?
Huh? Not on me, no.
What are you doing around here?
I'm waiting on a person to come in.
What person to come in?
I think he said he
Ecuador.
said 12.
From Ecuador? What's in that bag?
Nothing.
Nothing's in that bag?
No, nothing.
I got you on video taking stuff from that store.
Yeah,
I'll push away from me. I'll push away from me.
I mean, we're around to you.
You're on your back.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? They got you there.
I don't have nothing.
I'm not gonna.
I don't have anything.
You got more than a heart problem.
I don't have anything.
86
I don't have anything.
Stop resisting, sir.
Jesus.
Drag Dina from over there. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Turn it.
You got him, Ivan? Yep.
Yes.
Hold on a second.
Not resisting.
Put him on the ground. Put him on the ground. Sir, you're going to get on the ground. You're going to do it now.
Hold on.
Go face first. Go face down. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. Put your hand behind.
Resisting.
Put
Ow,
your,
my heart.
put your hand behind your back.
Hurt my back.
Put your hand behind your back. There you go, sir.
You just broke a rib.
You got it, Ivan?
You just broke a rib in my chest.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
Just stop resisting, sir.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Ouch.
There you go. Where's your other bag?
One
I
male,
don't have a
1050.
bag.
All right, go get a car.
I hate. Oh my!
Is there anyone close with a car? Stop resisting. We're gonna put you. We're gonna put you on your side.
You just hurt my ribs.
Sit
You
up.
did right. Hit my ribs.
289, 10-9.
What?
We need someone with a car.
Ivan went to go get one.
Can anybody copy 289?
Can I stand up?
No.
Ivan went
to go get it. We got it. Units on the 56 unit check.
What's that for? This is probably taken from the thing. What's the other stuff? What's your other bag that you got?
Hey, those units bring out to 38 curbside. My car, kid car stayed here.
Where are you in front of?
PR line,
Why'd you
38
fight?
curbside.
Why'd you fight me, bro?
Anyway.
Fight you, sir.
Yes, you did. You tried to get away from me. Ivan, sorry. What airline?
That's not true.
The car is going to be the 50-yard line.
Yeah, she's
It's right
scared me.
outside the 50-yard
I
line.
didn't scare you. You ran away from me because you're stealing
I
stuff.
run away from you.
Stand up.
Just tell us when you're there, Ivan.
Stand up. Put your leg in.
Go down to 89. If you just come out of the Oakley store, go down the hallway towards the east side of the car. Should be right out there.
Oh, yeah.
Said no ID, no nothing on it, right?
Hey, it's right there. So, right there. Cars? Yeah.
No, they had ID. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that was the only idea.
Really? Very insulting.
Hang on. Wait, ID right here. Hang on.
You got him, Jim?
Yeah, I got him, sorry.
Is this his bag?
No, that's what he brought in there, but it's like stolen from business.
Is that his bag or a bag? No, we're missing the other bag.
You know if we have any complaints about anything?
Honestly, we didn't even ask.
Brand new.
Take him back.
Let me take him back over there and see. This is stuff there. Yeah.
Are you in the Marines now?
Yes. Put your butt down first, slide in.
This analysis examines the constitutional and tactical questions raised, rather than restating the incident itself. The Fourth Amendment governs the initial seizure. Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968, permits brief detention on reasonable suspicion. A full custodial arrest requires probable cause, facts sufficient for a reasonable person to conclude that a crime has occurred. Officers here combine direct video evidence, witness identification, and a specific matching description observed in real time. That combination elevates the encounter directly to probable cause, not merely reasonable suspicion. Officers may therefore proceed to arrest without any prolonged investigatory detention beyond the initial verbal contact. The use of force is measured under Graham v. Connor, 1989, applying 3 factors from the officer's on-scene perspective. Those factors are severity of the crime, immediate threat posed, and whether the subject actively resisted or attempted flight. A verbalized threat to push an officer, combined with physical noncompliance, satisfies the second factor under settled precedent. The takedown and handcuffing therefore fall within the accepted use of force continuum for a resisting subject. Yet reasonableness is not unlimited. Force must remain proportional throughout, including the moment physical control is achieved. The Fifth Amendment enters when custodial interrogation begins. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires warnings before questioning. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980, interrogation includes any words reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response. Post-arrest questioning of a handcuffed subject without Miranda warnings risks suppression of any resulting statements at trial. Spontaneous statements by the subject generally remain admissible, but officer-initiated questioning does not enjoy that protection. An on-camera injury claim implicates Estelle v. Gamble, 1976, requiring a reasonable response to a medical need in custody. Deliberate indifference to a documented in custody injury complaint can support a federal civil rights claim under Section 1983. The proper response is a straightforward acknowledgement. Injury noted, medical staff will assess once the subject is fully secured. Recovery of the physical evidence adds to the video and witness proof, strengthening the corpus delicti of the offense. The alleged value of approximately $970 sits at the boundary between misdemeanor and felony theft. The investigating officer at the store earns an A- for methodical evidence building, video review, description, and statement. The primary contact officer receives a B-. Probable cause was sound, but medical response and post-arrest questioning were weak. The assisting officer receives a B for correct contact cover positioning and proportionate physical assistance during the takedown. The subject receives a D+. Silence and compliance would have preserved defenses that verbal threats and resistance destroyed. The department earns a B, active body cameras and coordinated response, but medical and interrogation protocols require reinforcement. 3 lessons emerge from this footage for practitioners, students, and observers of American policing. First, patient investigative work at the outset determines whether a case survives motions, plea negotiations, and trial. Second, an on-camera injury claim must be met with a documented medical assessment, not a bare verbal denial. Third, custodial silence after arrest protects both the evidentiary record and the constitutional rights of everyone involved. For any subject, invocation of the right to remain silent and to counsel is the single most effective legal response available. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction content.